Yeah. We live here at Temple Radio.
You.
You know what I mean? We up in the building. I gotta get my video footage.
In the studio.
We live on air too.
We are live on air. Make sure the mics aren't live. Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
America, known as the greatest country on the planet. Did we take it for granted? Once again, it comes from education, my friend. Because A is for Apple, J is for Jack. If you don't do your work, you get left back. If you just say that knowledge is power, but when you don't learn, you get burned.